Hello friends, my name is Raju Sharma and this is our channel RS Level. Today we will discuss about labor variance and its uses and merits. If you are first on our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in future notification. Let's get started. Labor variance refers to a situation in which actual cost of direct labor differ from the projected or budgeted labor cost. The success of a business enterprise depends upon, to a greater extent, how efficiently and effectively it has controlled its cost. Labor variance is most commonly used in a production or manufacturing area where it is referred to as direct labor variance and most frequently calculated using the staff directly responsible for turning raw materials into finished goods. It can be applied to any part of a business in which there is a compensation expense that can be compared to some baseline such as a budget target or previous performance. It can also include a range of expenses, the base compensation paid with beginning and potentially also including payroll taxes, bonuses, the cost of stock grants and even benefits paid. The primary objective of variance analysis is to exercise the cost control and cost reduction. Labor variance can be classified into two variants: labor efficiency variance and labor rate variance. Labor efficiency variance are variance that results the difference between standard time of direct labor and actual time worked is measured at the standard rate as standard time less actual time multiplied by standard rate. Second, labor rate variance. Labor rate variance are variance that reveals the difference between standard rate and actual rate for the actual labor time worked. It is measured as standard rate less actual rate multiplied by actual time. For example, if you budget 100 hours for a given project at an average rate of rupees 20 per hour, then the projected labor cost total is rupees 2000. If we use more hours at the same rate of pay, it would be called a labor efficiency variance. On the other hand, if we use the same hours at the higher rate of pay, it would be called a labor rate variance. A combination of labor efficiency variance and labor rate variance may result of a labor cost variance. It is measured as standard cost less actual cost. Labor variance can also be classified one additional variance, which is labor idle time variance, arises due to abnormal situation like strike, lockout, breakdown of machinery, etc. It is measured as idle time multiplied by standard rate. The merits of labor variance analysis. First, the reasons for overall variances
can be easily find out
for taking remedial action. Second, it is used for cost control. Third, it is highly useful for fixing the responsibility of an individual or department or section for each variance separately. Fourth, it creates cost consciousness in the mind of every employee of the business organization. Fifth, The result of managerial action can be a cost reduction, and last, profit planning can be properly carried on by the top management. Thank you. Like and share this video.